अगर आप उन लोगों में से हो जिनको लगता है कि मुझे गोल्फ कोर्स रोड पे इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए था आज से 5-10 साल पहले, तो लो आज डीएलएफ लेके आया वंस इन ए डेकेड अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉल्ड डीएलएफ प्रिवाना नॉर्थ। अब मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि आपको डीएलएफ प्रिवाना नॉर्थ में क्यों इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए। यू कैन कंपेयर दिस एरिया डायरेक्टली विद डीएलएफ गोल्फ लिंक्स। डीएलएफ गोल्फ लिंक्स में यू हैव डीएलएफ अरालियाज, कैमेलियाज एंड मैग्नोलियाज। DLF owns 138 acres of residential land parcel in this area, in which they have already launched DLF Privana South and West, which are sold out products. Now they are coming up with DLF Privana North. Now I am going to tell you the specifications of this project. The total land area is 20 acres and you will have a massive clubhouse of 2.5 acres. There are going to be total 6 towers in this project. In South and West you had 42 floors in each tower. In this project you would have 50 floors in each tower. In South and West you had 6 elevators in each tower. In this project you would have 8 elevators in each tower. In the previous projects the apartment size was 3577 square feet. In this project you will get a bigger 4-bedroom plus servant with an approximate area of 3950 square feet. There are going to be 10 plus global consultants on this project, and the famous Arabian construction company is going to do the construction for this project. 50% of the construction is going to be automated using self-climbing framework. Now let's talk about the appreciation potential for this project. A lot of people think that it is an overpriced product. मैं आपके साथ कुछ numbers share करना चाहता हूँ. DLF Camellias was launched in 2014 at a rate of 22,000 per square feet, 22,000 रुपए per square feet. At that time it was considered way overpriced. Now it is trading at a rate of more than 1,20,000 per square feet, an appreciation of more than 5 times in last 10 years. Similarly, DLF Magnolias was launched in 2005 at a rate of 4,500 per square feet. Now it is trading at a rate of more than 70,000 per square feet, an appreciation of more than 15 times in last 20 years. Now you can imagine the appreciation potential for Privana North. DLF is accepting the EOIs of 50 lakh rupees. If you want to create generational wealth and book an apartment here, reach out to us for a hassle-free experience.